Hello everybody and welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host John Dunlap. In today's video, as you can see, we have a very beautiful package in front of us. This is from Nike and this is the Nike Adapt Automax motherboard. This is the initial colorway for Nike taking their technology for auto lace sneakers to an Air Max silhouette, and I am super excited to get into this box. Now, talking about the packaging, this is the new mascot for Nike for their Adapt auto lacing system, so I'm super excited to get into this box. If you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get straight into it. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this tab open here, and first thing right off the bat is if you do by chance have any of the auto lace basketball sneakers, the Nike Adapt BB that did drop in Charlotte All-Star Week for 2018, or perhaps the 2.0 that did drop this past All-Star Week in Chicago, the packaging for those were absolutely enormous. So Nike has tremendously cut down on the size of the packaging, which I think is a good thing. And man, this is looking really clean, which I'm gonna go ahead and point the box up here and try not to throw the sneakers out, but that gives you an idea of kind of what we get here from Nike. Super good looking sneakers. This is actually the first time that I've seen them in person, because he did shock drop on Air Max Day on March 26th. So we got a nice hello there. That's pretty cool. But this right here, I'm pretty sure is our charging components. Yeah, so that's exactly what it is. You have your wall component, then you have your USB cable. So now that we have this packaged up, we're gonna get into the most important part of the aspect. The reason why probably most of you clicked on this video, which is the actual sneakers. And super similar to the Nike Mags, I think of all the auto lace basketball sneakers that we've got in the past, whether they were lifestyle silhouettes or whether they were basketball sneakers, this is the one auto lace sneaker that does have the most similarities of the legendary Nike Mag. And a lot of that starts from the top of the sneakers. Now, as you can see, I do have a picture there, but it doesn't really give you a really good idea of what the actual sneaker looks like if you're kind of unfamiliar with what exactly the Nike Mag does look like. But this exposed lacing system that we do have here, that's one of the aspects that is very present on the Nike Mag. And this is the first time that we've ever seen this technology like this from Nike. And also going to the midsole of the sneaker, the midsole of the sneaker is the exact same midsole design that you would see on the Nike Mag. On the Nike Mag, it does come in a wolf gray with a blue design, and on this Air Max, it does come with wolf gray. It is the exact same design for the midsole. Now, going to the outsole of the sneaker, it does come in the motherboard colorway. It does come in yellow. I would have really liked to see it in a blue. I think all of us would have loved to see it in a blue that, you know, does represent the Nike Mag. That would have been really awesome, but I'm sure that that colorway maybe possibly could come in the future. I don't know exactly what Nike plans, but they probably don't want to give us too much at once. They want us to buy this one, and maybe perhaps they will sneak that one in later on throughout the year, or at least I hope so, and I know a lot of you at least hope so. Now, overall, guys, I'm going to test these sneakers out and we're going to talk about how good they are. So now that I've had the opportunity to actually wear these sneakers for a couple hours and test them out, as you just saw, I think they are very good. So starting off with the comfort level, the upper of the sneaker is extremely comfortable. When you do put your fingers on the top of the toe box, it is extremely soft, and that exact same material is present on the inside of the sneaker. I am a little bit concerned on the wear and tear of this toe box, so if someone actually, you know, steps on the toe box, it does look like it could possibly pick very easily. So that's one thing that I am concerned about for the upper of the sneaker, but all in all, from a comfort standpoint, it is absolutely amazing. So getting into the midsole and the outsole and the cushioning of this sneaker, it is very, very comfortable. As you can see, this kind of looks like a dad's shoe with how thick and chunky and how much support you actually have towards the heel. They are very, very big and chunky, so support is absolutely amazing. Comfort is absolutely amazing. Definitely one of the most comfortable Nike shoes that I've worn in a very, very long time. So Nike absolutely nailed it on the head with that. And I mean, overall, guys, I think this is pretty much what you expect. You know, it's an auto lace sneaker. It's an Air Max. It's absolutely beautiful. The comfort is way better than, you know, an Air Max 1 or an Air Max 90. So from a comfort standpoint, I think Nike absolutely nailed it right on the head. And the way that they look, the similarities that you do have with the Nike Mag, they did a really good job. So guys, when it comes to customizing the fit of this sneaker, if you want to customize the fit of the left shoe, all you got to do is use the Nike app and drag it up to tighten to your personal preference. So it's going to be exactly how you want it, whether you're running, whether you're around the office chilling, you're at the house, you're going out for the night, however you want to rock your sneakers that night, you can have your preference to whatever you want for the left foot and also the right foot. So if you're one of those people out there and you have, you know, a smaller left foot and a larger right foot, all you gotta do is not tighten the left foot as much as the right foot. I think that this is an absolute amazing process that you have for these sneakers, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. And not only can you customize the fit, you can actually customize the colors, as you can see there. Now, the way that you charge these sneakers is absolutely mind-blowing. All you gotta do is through this plate, throw it down on the ground. You charge the plate, obviously, but set the sneakers on top of the plate and they're automatically gonna charge overnight. It is as simple as that, guys. That is absolutely mind-blowing. And I think Nike, when designing this, is the exact same technology that we saw on the other colorways and the other models. The technology that is present with, you know, tightening and loosening up the sneakers, I think it's a no-brainer if you can get your hands on a pair. Now, if resale gets up to $600 or $700, that might not really be worth it. But at $400, if you get them directly from Nike, I think no-brainer for this design in this colorway. So guys, I think we've pretty much covered a pretty much good review of this sneaker. If you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel to stay 100% up to date on all hype sneaker releases here at Sneaker Huddle. If you see a video here that you would like to watch, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you guys there in just a little bit. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless and have a great day.